Is your front desk swamped with calls and patient scheduling changes? Are no-shows and cancellations eating into your bottom line? Are you missing out on patient opportunities due to low website conversion and no after-hour booking? Meet Holly, the ready-to-use AI platform that transforms patient engagement and streamlines the scheduling journey 24/7 with a conversational experience.
Hi, I want to book an appointment, but do you take Aetna insurance?
Hello. Yes, ABC Medical accepts all Aetna plans. When would you like to schedule?
Tomorrow afternoon, please.
Automating 80% of your front desk workload at any time. Built for healthcare, Holly emulates human criteria and empathy for patient coordination by harnessing over 200 scheduling rules and the power of advanced conversational and generative AI. Holly captures 30% of patients that schedule after hours and meets them at their highest point of intent wherever they are looking for you. No matter if it's calling, going through your website, social media, or finding you on Google, the platform will manage confirmations, payments, FAQs, rescheduling, and instructions in sync with your EHR while adding revenue by recovering lost patients, autofilling last-minute cancellations, and timely recalling patients for their next appointment. Engage patients and automate your front desk 24/7 with Easy AI for healthcare. Try it for free with our 2-week trial.